y'all, so I'm back with another hair review. This wig is coming from Jessie'S Wig. This has been the most viral wig I've ever seen on TikTok. All the girls is wearing this unit specifically, and baby, I see why. This is my first time working with Jessie'S Wig, so yeah. Of course, straight out the pack, you have to do some adjustments. So right now, I am just brushing out those curls. Let me tell y'all, the texture of this unit is so freaking soft. So soft. As y'all can see, she already comes pre-styled, pre-plucked, pre-cut. Knots were small. Just an easy 1, 2, 3 unit. You see, she goes all the way back. I love a unit that gives you so much parting space. I love that. I am using my Nairobi foaming mousse to also set the hair in place as well. Once again, I did not use no glue adhesive, no sprays, no nothing. I just want to go ahead and straighten her out just to see what she looks like and how well she takes heat. Baby, when stuff comes already pre-curled and pre-styled, it'd be hard to bump out those curls that they already put in place. Them curls don't be wanting to go nowhere. So even though this unit is a curtain bang, I wanted to actually even out those layers and put some more face framing layers into this unit. So while I'm cutting, I'm like, okay, this is so cute. I love how this hair falls. The way that lace is blending into my complexion, baby, chef's kiss. Even though I did put my Ruby Kisses foundation on that actual lace, it definitely was a great match. Once again, like I told y'all, this is a glueless unit. You do not have to put no type of adhesive, but of course, for extra security, you can. In the end, I ended up cutting bangs anyway, because I'm like, why do I feel like this will eat so bad? And honestly, y'all, I'm so glad I did it. I really do like how soft this hair is. It just looks so sleek and sexy. So as I'm doing this bang tutorial and as I'm editing this video in real time, when I seen Angel Reese rock this same type of look, I think Eric and Tay did her hair, and baby, I was so inspired by this. I'm like, this is perfect. So I had to re-record that as soon as I seen that look. Those bangs with the curls, I was like, oh, I have to recreate that. And the fact that I had left this unit straight in the video, because y'all will see in the end that I left it just a layered unit with the bang and everything. So if y'all see the ending result is different than this, that's why. In the end, the curls held up really good. I did end up putting like, you know, some holding spray in her, and then I combed it out, and it just gave such sexy waves and layers. Like, it was just perfect. So the pros and cons that I did have with this unit is how manageable this hair was. She didn't shed, she didn't tangle. I mean, of course, with her being so soft, I would hope that she wouldn't shed or tangle, but she didn't do neither of the two. I love the construction of the unit. I love that you are able to wear this glueless. I didn't have any cons with this unit. She was secure. I love that she had the elastic bands, the combs. So if you are thinking about picking up this unit, like I said, she will be in my description box below. Of course, you can go on TikTok as well. I'm pretty sure they have this on their TikTok shop. That concludes today's video. I would like to thank Jessie's Wig for sending me this unit to review for you guys. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.